Come on in, welcome to my home, I'm CM Coleman, and this is not the video I had planned on making. No, in fact, the video I'd planned on making was going to be a video that was about Christmas cookies and Christmas treats and all those wonderful things that come with the holiday time. And you know what? I just am not into it. A lot of things have been going on in my own life and everything, but we won't get into that. But one of the biggest problems I have right now is I've absolutely 100% lost my holiday spirit. It is gone, and I mean gone. So as I was sitting there thinking about what cookies I should make next or that sort of thing, and I'm like, nope. What you need to do next is get yourself back into the holiday spirit, because I'm going to bet that I'm not the only one who's lost themselves in the whole drudgery in the whole process of trying to get ready for the holidays. And there are some big things that you need to do and you want to do, but yet you're also fighting against this idea that you've seen. You've seen those videos where everything is absolutely perfect. It is the most perfectly wonderful Christmas event that you have ever seen. And then you have to ask yourself, how did that happen? Why is my Christmas not like that? Why am I doing everything wrong? And the answer is, you're not. No. If you actually believe that the Hallmark Christmas movies are how real life works, we need to talk. We need to have a serious talk. Real life does not work like that. If you are a big city girl and you move back to the country, you're not going to fall in love with your past love in 6 weeks and then get married so that way you can have a romantic Christmas night with Santa Claus dropping you off gifts. No, that's not happening. That's not real. But also, if you're one of these people who see all these houses which are completely perfectly decorated and everything, there could be reasons. And part of this is your own fault. And why am I saying it's your own fault? Well, because a lot of these things started early, and I mean started really early. On the day I am filming this is December 3rd, and you're like, but you have 22 days to go until Christmas. I'm like, yeah. But it's taken me a week and a half just to get this far to film this video. I did do the my version of a Toll House cookie, which you will see in this video, and I will do the spiced cider in this video. But the other things are just going to be about me getting ready for Christmas, or like at least trying to get back into that Christmas spirit. So let's get started. And as you can tell, one of the big ones is this looks depressing. So one of the things is, if you haven't decorated yet, go ahead and decorate. In fact, if you want some motivation, watch that video, click the card. It will take you to the day where I decorate my house for Christmas. And the big thing about that is, don't aim for perfect. Done is better than perfect. Make it so that you can enjoy it. Everything doesn't have to be within millimeters of being even. No, it needs to look nice. You need to enjoy it. You need to have some fun. And the best way that you can have some fun is to put on some music and put on some lights. That's what I'm doing right now, which I thought I had this pulled up, but obviously I don't. So we can put on some lights. That helps a bit. Now how about some music? Now let's get into it. Alright, what I'm going to do right now is make chocolate chip cookies. These are Toll House cookie recipe. I will link it down below. I've made these before. It's really simple. So we're going to start by combining our flour with our lovely mixture of baking soda. I'll do a light mix of that. I do a couple things different. So this is my butter, which is softened. Now to that I'm going to add sugar. I do my pinch of salt now. Okay. So now to that, I will add my vanilla. This is my own vanilla. Then we will add our eggs. 1 egg. 2 eggs. My oven is preheated to 375 degrees. Let me scrape. Then, with that running on a low speed, we will add our flour mixture. Great. I will add my chocolate chips. Alright. Okay. Now I'm going to take my cookie scoop, drop these by the teaspoonful, to tablespoon and a half full. So now I'll put these in the oven and bake them 375 for 11 minutes. I will turn these halfway through and switch the top and the bottom at the same time. Then we will take them out, let them sit for 2 minutes, and take them off to cool. So let me get these into the oven. Now, with the scent of warm chocolate chip cookies, Toll House are my favorites, and I did substitute white sugar and brown sugar, all just for raw sugar. So yeah, you can do whatever you want with that. So then I thought, okay, Christmas music, cookies, we need a drink, and the drink which I'm going to make is going to be a spice cider, or like it's basically like a warm cider, and it is so simple to make. Let's go through that. Our spiced cider. We are starting off with cider. I'm going to make a very small batch, so I'm only going to do about 4 cups. There we go. I have this really cool glass pot that I'm going to use. Since I'm putting in cool stuff into it, I'm putting that in first. Okay. We will set this off to the side. Let's get our fruit and everything. We will wash it off. Again. I'm only going to use half of these, so this is half a lemon. So like I said, I'm only doing a small batch. Okay, I'm not real worried about the seeds, but if you are, you can make sure to pop those out. There. And then we will do half an orange. Then we will take the cranberries. You can double this, triple it, it is up to you. I'm going to do about a half a cup of cranberries. And yes, I'm going to rinse these. Alright. Cut all of this. Where is my dishcloth? There it is. Okay. Then to that, which is already pretty enough, I'm going to add 2 cinnamon sticks. Put the lid on, and we will take it over to the stove. At the stove, I'm going to put this on simmer, and we will just let it simmer until it gets nice and warm. Okay, so now with cookies made, cider in hand, what else can I do to get my whole holiday spirit back? I can relax. I mean, that's the biggest thing. The whole part about the holidays is we push and push and push ourselves to the point of practically breaking instead of just enjoying it. Here's what I'm going to tell you. For the next few days that you have left, get as much done as you possibly can get done. Like everything, anything you can pre-make, pre-do, whatever, get that all done. Do you know why? So that way when the holidays can come up, or so that as you're thinking about the holidays, my problem was I was dreading all the work that I had to do. Well, I'm getting that work done. Am I chipping it away at it like really fast? No, it's being chipped away at slowly. But I want it all to be done at least a week before Christmas, because then I can enjoy Christmas. Then I can sit back and relax. But also, if it doesn't all get done, it doesn't all get done. If I have some dish that I really wanted to make for Christmas and it doesn't get out there, it's okay. I mean, it's the holiday. The holiday isn't about gifts. It isn't necessarily about the food. It's just about enjoying yourself, enjoying the people who you're with, having fun, and enjoying everything. That's why the cider, it's good. Oh, that's really good. That really is good. I can honestly say, it brings me back to that feeling of Christmas. That feeling of, going out and seeing Christmas lights. Yes, eventually I will do that, but not anytime soon. We do have snow, as I showed you earlier, but it's all nice. I don't need to make this perfect. Nothing has to be perfect. Just actually sitting back, having Christmas lights on whenever I can, having Christmas music going on whenever I can, doing fun things like if I have presents, wrapping the presents, if I don't have the presents, figuring out what I'm going to get them. If I'm not going to get them anything, get them a nice card. That's fine. Just, you need to relax. I needed to relax. So doing this video really helped me to just kick back and say, hey, things aren't going to go as planned, but that's okay. They don't have to go as planned. I will enjoy this Christmas however it is presented to me, and I will try to find the good things that are going on. So I will kick back, watch my favorite holiday movie, which, if you're curious, my favorite holiday movie is Holiday Inn. I will get back, watch that. I will stop obsessing and doom scrolling on my phone. I will stop all of those horrible things which we generally do day to day. Instead, I'll look at the old pictures from Christmas. I'll enjoy that. I'll think back to how things were, and also think back to how we can get back to how things were. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just do things completely differently. But whatever it is, I'm not going to try to compare my life to, as it is now, to anyone else's life, or even my past life, because those days were different than what they are now. Things are different. That's okay. Enjoy the change. Go with the change. If you don't like what you're seeing or don't like how things have changed, you need to work on that. I'm holding this cup and it's really weird. Oh, that even helps my throat. This is nice. This is calm. It's relaxing. So from here on out, I'm just going to take it easy, enjoy myself, and be present in the moment. Nothing to stress about. So yes, this video finally got done. And by the way, I really want to thank these people. These are my Patreon and channel members. Without them, there is no possible way that I could keep on doing this, because they know all the horrible things which have been going on, and their support really does keep me going, and I really want to thank them. If you want to become part of the channel members, a part of the Patreon family, that would be great. If not, there's something else you could do. You could like and share this video, because that really does help with the YouTube algorithm, so that way it knows that other people should see this video. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you stop stressing out about your Christmas, and you can find your holiday spirit again. Maybe this isn't the best video, but this is all I have right now, and I hope that you can appreciate that. I hope I get to see you again the next time you stop by.